nice white in an attic. Hey guys, just a little short tech tip that will save everybody a lot of time and effort. If you see a safety float switch which is not adjusted properly, please adjust it. Most can be adjusted simply by running this all the way up. We want to get these two probes down as close to the pan as possible. That'll keep you from having to vacuum out a lot of water in the event of a water leak from up above. Looks like we can set this one down as far as it'll go. So we got this adjusted, and can't even put my finger under it now. That's probably the difference between having to vacuum out 5 gallons versus 10, 12 gallons. Big drain pan. But they do have an inline safety, so hopefully that'll catch it before it gets down here. Y'all be safe. Dedicate this video to my beautiful granddaughter who just graduated pre-K.